AirTalk Wireless users sometimes encounter the application status not working error when trying to track their affordable connectivity program applications or other applications. This is often due to high website traffic, server issues, or problems with the AirTalk Wireless app. Common errors include 502 server errors and general status not working messages. These issues are technical limitations related to scaling digital access and are not usually hacks. The portal is generally functional for 95% of users, but older devices and unstable internet connections can trigger persistent issues like 404 errors or login failures. AirTalk addresses these with regular updates. The latest firmware, v2.4.1, includes AI diagnostics for auto-resolving common errors. During peak periods, temporary outages may still occur. If you're facing problems with the AirTalk Wireless application status portal, try using incognito mode in your browser or clear your browser's cache and cookies. Switching to a different network can also help bypass glitches. Make sure your AirTalk Wireless app is up to date. If the problem persists, contact AirTalk Wireless support via their website, app, or temporary hotline 1-800-AirTalk. Remember to secure your login with email, phone, and two-factor authentication. AirTalk Wireless is piloting hybrid apps with offline capabilities to reduce dependency on internet stability. You can also visit libraries for in-person portal support if available in your area, especially in rural areas.